All right, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today is the special day. It's finally here, guys. I have the majority of the parts that I need to go ahead and start tearing this thing down and getting it ready, start fixing some stuff, and go ahead and start slapping some of these new parts on. But we're going to go ahead and blast this thing completely down, get the old engine out, and get all this stuff off of it, and go ahead and clean the frame for what we're going to be doing on that. And yeah, right now Jimmy is working on the square body. We're finishing this up, guys. We did a nice inner frame stiffener down here. Looks pretty slick. Trans cross member. It's got its own cross member back here. Yeah, so Steve put posi in this thing. It's got a big block, so we just went ahead and did something a little to help him out, keep this thing on the road. But yeah, so that's where we're at. We got another guy. We got a new employee. He's down here in the trash can currently. That's Jim. So we got two Jims in the shop now and myself. But, you know, we make it work. So I'm going to put you guys on time lapse, start blowing this thing apart, and then I'll get back to you guys with some progress. Here he is, guys. Everybody say hi to Jim. Jim, say what up. Hell yeah. So him and I are going to go ahead and start tackling this. And then once Jimmy's wrapped up with the square body, we're all three going to jump on this and start knocking it out. All right, guys, so we're back with a little bit of progress. I got the right side fender off. I'm going to go ahead and start working on the left. Hood's off. We got all kinds of parts on the ground. All kinds of parts over here. Other than cutting a couple of bolts, everything's going along pretty smooth. Did find a little bit of rust we're going to go ahead and work on. Jim's been back here tearing away at this, making a fucking mess, but, you know, there we go. We got a bunch of stuff going on. He's going to get this bed all unbolted so we can get it off and then get it completely disassembled. It'll go up here on the mezzanine out of our way because we'll be using a different bedside. But we will be keeping the tailgate and a couple of things off of this truck. And yeah, so that's our quick little update, guys. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the left fender. Then I'll start pulling all the inners out. And yeah, then we'll have a bare front end. We can start working on getting the motor out, guys. right, guys, so we just finished up Steve's truck. We did the inner frame stiffener. We got the exhaust all back up, gas tank, everything. I got Jimmy driving. I'll put in the clip, the video that Jimmy took. We did a nice healthy burnout, and the O2 sensor, we just didn't tighten up all the way and it popped out, and I literally thought it was the drive shaft. We both were looking at each other like, oh, we just ruined the truck. so we're up on another little rip. We're gonna drive it around, make sure we're good. She's got a little quirks to work out. The pedal is really tight, the gas pedal. The brakes are really soft. And it's got a B&M short shifter that the overdrive is kind of acting up on. So we're working with these little quirks. But she moves. So guys, now we're back in the learning phase. Now that we're up to temp and the O2 is connected. So she sounds like she's supercharged. It's just belt squeak, guys.
Don't mind that.
America, baby! Give her a little one. She works, guys. Should I start her at first?
Oh, hell yeah. You're gonna do a burnout, do a burnout.
The seat is so close. Out for a little rip.
I feel like you're ripping it up. Oh, big block style.
All right, guys, so we're back from lunch, back from the test drive. Steve's truck is good. It's over at his shop. Jimmy and I are gonna jump on disassembling the front end while Jim is out here knocking out disassembling the bed. So we should have bed disassembled today and the majority of the front end. We're probably gonna do the motor tomorrow. That way we can dump all the fluids overnight. And yeah, then we'll start getting the cab off, all that good stuff, guys. So I'm gonna put you back on time lapse, start tearing down the front end. All right, guys, hold the phone. I have some goodies to show you. We just got back from seeing the boys over at Switch Suspension. I got a call that my stuff was in, and dude, we've got our 444 dual compressors from Viair. We got our harnesses, all of our line. Don't know what that is. The wiring kit for the air management. Let's see what else. Oh, you guys, this came in yesterday and I didn't show you guys. Oh, you guys are gonna love this. Hold on, 1 second. Oh, we got some gauges. Ooh, look at those things. Those are slick. Here's the RPM gauge. Golly. I got these on a super deal, guys, so I didn't spend crazy amount on these, but I am super stoked to have these. Let's see, let me put that back. I don't want to scratch them up before we even install them. So that is in here, guys. And then what I wanted to show you guys was, one second, sorry. All of this, you guys, holy moly. All of these boxes, all the brown boxes, that box, are all of the chop and block front drop member parts. And then to top it off, guys, like I said, we're doing budget build, but I want it to be just a little better quality than a pretty mediocre tank. So if you guys know what that logo is, we've got, bam, baby, I got us an Endo VT tank. So all of our manifold stuff is on the inside. All of our ports, everything is quick connect. Comes with a template of where to mount stuff. Guys, this thing is dialed. I am so excited to start building this thing. I think that you guys not only are gonna love this build, but it's definitely pretty quality. Look what's coming in, guys. So to wrap up the day, the guys are pulling in the rest of the stuff. We've got the front clip all disassembled. The motor will be coming out tomorrow, along with the cab coming off tomorrow. Let me pull you around back. And the whole bed is taken apart. I got a bunch of pieces to the bed up there on the mezzanine. So really productive day, guys. I took a bunch of pictures of parts, so I will be putting some parts up on my Instagram story, my Facebook. They're just factory parts. If you guys are looking for them, I'll sell them super cheap, or even do some trades for some other parts that I may need. So make sure to comment if you guys got some stuff you want to sell, or some stuff that you guys need to buy from this project, because like I said, we're not keeping a lot of this stuff stocked. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll have another one coming out probably end of the week, updating you on where we're at, but we're ready to start building. We'll get the cab off, get the engine out, and then get this thing sprayed down. It's super dirty, super dusty, and I'm not trying to work on all that. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys soon.